In 1945, a serendipitous discovery would revolutionize the way we cook and eat. Dr. Percy Spencer, an engineer working with Raytheon, was experimenting with a new vacuum tube called a magnetron. Surprisingly, a candy bar in his pocket melted during his experiment. Intrigued, Spencer tested the magnetron's effect on other foods, such as popcorn kernels, which popped instantly. Realizing he was onto something groundbreaking, Spencer and his team developed the first microwave oven, initially called the Radarange. Although it weighed over 600 pounds and stood nearly 6 feet tall, it was a game changer for the culinary world. Fast forward to today, microwaves have become an essential household item, saving countless hours in meal preparation. Fascinated by such accidental innovations? Subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into everyday technology.